Long ago, in the kingdom of Eldoria, where magic and legends live side by side, it was said that a golden black sword with red gemstones existed. This sword was believed to hold incredible power, but it had been split into three parts: the blade, the crossguard, and the hilt. King Arion, bored with his life in the palace and obsessed with finding new adventures, decided to seek out the sword. First, he had to face a fiery dragon in the depths of the deep mountains, where he fought long and hard to win the blade. The crossguard was found in the depths of a silver lake, where he outwitted a water demon. Finally, in the forests of the Darklands, he defeated a band of thieves and obtained the hilt. Upon returning to his kingdom, he assembled the sword. However, King Arion suddenly stepped back, scratched his back with the assembled sword, and contentedly declared, "Finally, I've gotten rid of that itch."